welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created that look. Yeah, it's Halloween season, and even though we don't celebrate Halloween in Nigeria, I, as a makeup artist, I just use it as a period of time where I explore a little bit outside the beauty makeup, the generic beauty makeup, which we do here in Nigeria. I just like go into a little bit of the art and the creepy and the scary. I love it. I love it. So yeah, today I'm going to be trying something new, like totally new. I've not done it before, but I'm so eager to do it. I'm not saying it's easy, but it looks like it's something I can handle. So let's get into it. So guys, I just packed my hair back using this packer. Then I just went ahead and I did my brows. If you want a more detailed tutorial on how I do my brows, kindly check out my previous post. Here I'd already done my skin prep, just cleaned my face and all of that. I went ahead to conceal my brows and then went in with my Blot Cosmetics gel liner. It's black, and then I just like used it to create a base, then like continue to just darken it and moved it upward just a little bit. Then I went in with this very brown shade from my BH Cosmetics palette. It's actually my contour shade, so I just used it to blend the upward part of my eyeshadow. Then now I'm drawing the outline of a spider. Actually, I kind of just googled a spider and kind of tried to follow the outline. This is the first time I'm doing this, like ever, like I said, so I made like lots of mistakes. I was not very satisfied with the way the legs were going. It wasn't moving smoothly on my face, and like I just kept doing it because I was so determined to give you guys this Halloween look. So here I am just trying to draw like the legs. Then I went in with gel liner underneath my eyes, like to make it really really dark, because like I really like it to be very dark. I started filling in the legs now with this black pencil. Note that the first one I used was a brown pencil. So I'm just outlining the legs like one by one and just trying to blend it in at the same time. You get? So like the idea is just like to make sure that the legs look like as good as possible and as realistic as possible. Ah, god, at this point like I was just like panicking because it wasn't even looking like it at all, but I just kept going like in faith that it was going to come out very well. So now I used a white concealer to like do like little white dots all around. I'm using a toothpick, as you can see, because my I don't think I have a brush that's like thin enough for what I was trying to do, so I had to make do with a toothpick. And yeah, it came out well. So at this point it started looking real. I guess the white spots that I put all around gave it like this 3D effect. So now I went back with my brown pencil to kind of create a shadow for the spider. So that's what I'm doing here now. The idea is for the shadow to be very faint, very light, not too thick. It's just like, oh, light is hitting your face, and then the shadow is like, it makes the spider look like it's actually standing on your face. That I took my time to make sure that I did this the shadow thing very well. I went back with my liquid eyeliner, try and make the tip of the spider legs a little bit pointy. Then I just moved to the other side of my face. Really, I wasn't trying to look like totally horrible, so I did the other side of my face and just like applied my foundation and my did my eyeliner properly. Applied my foundation to the little part that was left on this side, and then blended like properly to my neck and everything. Then went ahead with my concealer, my under eyes. Like I've been having really dark eyes these days, I don't know what's going on. Then just like blended that one too, like see my nose looking all different. Oh my goodness. And then a little bit to my forehead also. Yeah, then I just like kept blending it. Honestly, now I'm done. Like I set the whole thing with powder, and then I also used a little bit of eyeliner like just to sharpen my wing liner. Then I now went in, I did like a spider web thing. I'm so sorry for about the angle because like I didn't record it properly, but I just did like a spider web thing at the other eye, because like I just wanted it to follow the Halloween theme and not look like too plain or anything. Yes, so yep. And then I added contour. Face is looking snatched at that one side. And then of course my highlighter, I must add Halloween or not, just added it to everywhere I usually add to, and just blended it in properly. Then I went in with my liquid eyeliner again and tried to create little spiders on my chest. He actually came out looking very nice, and I was quite impressed because I just thought about it last minute. So like basically crawling up to meet their mother spider on my eyes. Then I went in with a really dark lipstick. I think this lipstick is from Zaran Cosmetics. I'll check out the name for you guys. So I just smacked. Was it Zaran? I'm not sure. But like basically this is like the end look. This is how it looked at the end. Not very creepy, but also creepy, and you're still cute. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.